Dulux Duramax Granite Effect is a fast-drying, water-based spray paint, ideal for delivering a granite effect finish inside and outside the home. Use only in well-ventilated areas. Undercoat. Spray with smooth, even strokes parallel to the surface. Itto. Apply several light mist coats instead of one heavy coat. Granite. Leave the first coat to dry for an hour before applying second coat. Prevent blocking by turning can upside down and spraying until clear. Finish off by applying Duramax Gloss Clear coat. And we're done. Create magic with Duramax.